In this video, you'll learn how to reduce technical debt using Claude Code within Visual Studio Code. By following these steps, you will be able to identify problematic code, refactor it, and maintain clean coding standards throughout your projects. Begin by launching Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once the application is open, access the terminal by pressing the keys Control and the backtick key simultaneously. This will bring up the integrated terminal at the bottom of the VS Code window. Next, you will need to open the Claude Code panel. You can do this by locating the Claude Code extension in the sidebar or by using the command palette to search for it. Once the Claude Code panel is visible, your next task is to identify areas of high technical debt within your code base. Look for long functions, duplicate code, or modules that are difficult to read. These are common indicators of technical debt that need attention. When you find the problematic code, copy it to your clipboard, as you will need to paste it into the Claude Code panel shortly. Now, you will prompt Claude Code to refactor the identified code. An example prompt you can use is, this module has technical debt. Please refactor long functions into smaller ones, remove duplicates or unused code, improve variable and function names, add comments, and suggest modern patterns if needed. After writing this prompt, paste the copied code below it in the Claude Code panel and run the command to initiate the refactoring process. Claude Code will then provide you with refactored and cleaner code as output. For example, it might suggest splitting a large function named process data into smaller functions such as parse data, validate data, and save data. Additionally, it may recommend renaming variables like X, Y, and Z to more descriptive names such as user list, filtered users, and max age. Unused variables or redundant loops will be removed, and comments will be added to clarify complex sections of the code. After applying the suggestions from Claude Code, continue this process across your project by addressing one module at a time. Claude can also handle entire files if you provide clear prompts. For larger projects, consider using one prompt per file or feature to keep the refactoring manageable and organized. As an optional step, you can ask Claude to automate the detection of technical debt within your code base. A prompt could be, analyze this code base and list functions or modules that are too long, repetitive, or poorly named. Suggest refactors. This will generate a technical debt report inside VS Code, allowing you to address each item systematically. Finally, to maintain clean code moving forward, utilize Claude Code regularly for new features, refactor older modules before adding new ones, and ensure a consistent structure and naming convention throughout your code base. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.